I work closely with teams that operate in challenging environments, command posts, tactical vehicles, and out in the elements. What we've seen with these new devices is just game-changing. It's not just about upgraded hardware, we're fundamentally altering the way work gets done. In public safety, officers can use the V120 inside patrol cars to run license checks, view real-time maps, and use AI-powered voice input to dictate reports, while those critical details are still fresh in their minds without ever having to go back to the station. In the utility sector, linemen can utilize the F120 to pull up schematics, take field notes, and report outages while still on site. The glove-compatible touchscreen and high-brightness display are critical when you're working outdoors. Work continues without ever having to take off equipment or find a shaded location to see the screen. Battery life is always a critical requirement. With hot swappable batteries, teams can stay in the field longer, reducing the need to recharge or swap out devices mid-shift. In manufacturing and logistics, crews are directly connecting to equipment, utilizing the barcode scanners for inventory management and updating workflows in real time using Wi-Fi or 5G. These new devices function reliably in cold storage, warehouses, and sunbaked cargo yards. They are third-party certified to perform in these extreme temperatures, from -20 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, or -29 to 63 degrees Celsius. The common theme is operators are not adjusting procedures to fit the device. High-performing teams need devices that are purpose-built to handle any task and function in the same perilous environment as the operators. This is where rugged devices prove themselves. When the job is demanding and the margin for error is small, reliability is not a feature, it's a non-negotiable requirement.